G'day ice cream lovers, we're still here at the National Ice Cream Show here in Harrogate in the UK. One of the great things about coming to a trade show, as you well know if you've been to a couple of trade shows, is looking at brand new pieces of equipment, new concepts, new flavours. And right behind me is a very, very unique case that's relatively new technology, glycol and forced air, and the design is not only very, very functional in keeping products crisp, cool, clean, ice-free, and as fresh as you can be, but it also is a very easily seen, very well displayed cabinet. Great piece of technology. So we're going to talk to the manufacturer and find out what it's all about in this new piece of equipment here at the Ice Cream Expo in the UK.
Hi there, I'm Neil James. I'm Managing Director of HSS Hereford, and we provide ice cream making equipment and showcases for the whole of the UK. Okay. Well, this is our launch of the new Vista display showcase. It's a combination of the classic Pozzetti counter, but with the visibility that you all would expect from a normal scooping cabinet. There's a whole load of benefits to both.
So Pozzetti is the actual wells where you typically don't see a lot of product, right?
That's correct. The classic Pozzetti, you end up with the standard Pozzetti lid, which is like this, and it sits on top of the product, protecting it, and then you remove the lid to open the ice cream to serve it. What this cabinet does is allow that your customers to visit the cabinet, see the product, not be blocked by the blocked visibility by the pan lid. So the best Pozzetti counter, you have a glycol system. So this is a glycol bath that conditions both this top layer and actually underneath we have another storage layer. So there's over 140 litres of ice cream stored in this unit at any one time.
And it's a dual system, so it's glycol but it's still forced air, right?
Yeah, so normally a classic Pozzetti, the ice cream sits lower down, okay? So it sits in the cold temperature and the lid sits on the top, but you can't see it. So the idea of this is if you do bring the Carapina pan up, it's vulnerable to the ambient temperature. So what this system does, it has a refrigeration system running the glycol and a secondary system running a ventilated air system that blows over the top of the product, which means we can keep it up high, looks great, but doesn't lose the quality going through the pan.
New technology, or has it been around for a while?
This is brand new combination of this technology, so you would expect the ventilated system on a professional showcase for scooping, and you would expect the glycol system on a traditional Pozzetti counter, but never have you had the two together. And that's what we're trying to launch today and promote. So one of the added benefits of this is when you get to the end of the day, you've still got product in the cabinet. You either take the product out, go into a freezer out back, or you leave it exposed in the cabinet, which with the ventilated can often cause discoloration or oxidation of the product. With this one, you just do a quarter turn of the tub, it drops down, you put the lid on, and at this point, once you've done it to all the pans, you turn the air curtain off. So the one fridge system does not have to run overnight. You just rely on the glycol system that's underneath. Should you have a problem with the glycol system, the ventilated system runs around the containers too. So that will look after the product if the glycol system's offline. And the flip side of that is if the glycol system is on its own, or there's a power cut, it would take you probably 2 days to lose temperature of your product with the glycol system, because essentially you have over 200 litres of glycol surrounding these tubs. So having a scooping serving temperature would be no problem. From a decorative point of view, this model we're showing off here has got the ceramic marble, so it has all the beauty of marble, but it's a lot stronger, it's a lot more robust. We've got it on the front decoration as well, but this could be just your standard polished stainless steel, could be coloured stainless steel, could be pretty much whatever you want. And similarly, the front panel, you can use that as with your own shop fit, your own scheme, colour schemes and materials, put on your own front panel.
And then you can add this to another refrigerator case.
Yep, so first of all it comes in a 10 flavour and a 6 flavour, so we can multiplex the two together, so you'd have 16 flavour offering. But you can also have a matching pastry cabinet as well. So the pastry cabinet would again seamlessly join on and have a pretty smart looking display offering for your customers.
Mate, where do we find out more about what you do?
Well, if you go and visit our website, which is www.rsshereford.co.uk, everything will be on there.
Well, folks, I think my Christmas list is just about packed up when it comes to ice cream vans and display cases. What a beautiful piece of equipment. Not only is it so functional, but it's just such a beautiful case and displays the product perfectly, and that's exactly what we want. We want that visual nature, that organoleptic experience where customers are really experiencing the product straight out of the gate, highest quality product but best presentation. Great piece of equipment. Thanks for tuning in. All the details for this case and where you can get it is down below here. And hey, feel free to leave a comment if you like it or you're not, and we'll respond. Keep on scooping, folks. See you in the next video.